Hello children, today I am here with the third stanza of the Dolphins. And now we are no longer blessed. Here the poet emphasizes on the we of the dolphins. Means dolphin is not talking about itself. It is talking about all other dolphins who are there captive in the artificial pool. So we are no longer blessed. This is repetition, and you have seen in second stanza, third line, repetition is also a poetic device. We are no longer blessed. Why? For the world will not deepen to dream in. The poet brings out realism, wherein the dolphin now realizes that the captive waters will not bring back their dreams of being free in the ocean. The other knows, and out of love reflects me for myself. The poet has also stressed here the mutual understanding between the dolphins and how they define themselves with reference to each other. The dolphin's companion is aware of their helplessness, and thus dolphin tries to reduce its pain by simply being a sympathetic other of its species. So, as a group of dolphins, what empathizes them? Empathizes means understand and share the feeling of others. So, what are the things? First is a feeling of apathy. Apathy means lack of enthusiasm because they all are not free. The second thing is the feeling of sharing the conflicts with emotion of togetherness and compassion. Third thing, the acceptance of their fate and their sorrowfulness. All these are shared by other dolphins, which in turn reduces the pain and displays their feeling of love for each other. Then it is written, we see our silver skin flash by like memory of somewhere else. Being together reminds them of happy times in the ocean when they were in the sea, and when the natural sunlight reflected off their skin, giving it a silvery appearance. But now it appears to be an old memory of somewhere else. But this memory gives them some strength to bear this adversity of being controlled by man. The dolphin simply remembers that they need to balance a colored ball until their master goes away. There is a colored ball we have to balance till the man has disappeared. So it's just like one teaches a dog to fetch the ball thrown towards it. It indicates how commanding and controlling humans are on them.